Hello! Today I'll be showing you a basic printing tutorial for the Learning Resource Center. To get started, go to the top left corner and click on File. You will come to this page where you will come down and click on Print. Clicking on Print will take you to this page where you have Black and White Canon GMU. Clicking on the downward arrow will give you a choice between printing in black and white or in color. Black and white will cost 10 cents per printed page, and printing in color will cost 25 cents. Once you have clicked Print, you will need to enter your NetID. Your NetID is the same ID that you use to access your Patriot Web and your Blackboard. Once you have entered your NetID onto the computer, come over to the printer and slide your Mason ID or enter your Mason credentials manually. Once you have slid your Mason ID card, your document will come up on the print screen. It will be very specific for you. Since the printer is a touch screen, first click on the document and then click Print. When you have clicked Print, the document will print for you. However, in order to print from any of the George Mason printers, you will require Mason money on your Mason ID. So here is the basic Mason money tutorial. First, go to masonid.gmu.edu, click on Mason Money, and scroll down to About Mason Money. Then scroll down to Mason Money Online. This will take you to the Mason Card office, where you'll scroll down to Add Mason Money here. They will ask you to fill out all of your information, so click Agree. Fill out your student information, such as your G number, the amount of money you would like on your card, and your Mason email. Finally, you will fill out your billing information, such as your address and your credit card number. When asked to fill out your address, please be sure to use your most recent United States address. They will send a receipt to your email that you entered earlier. Now that you have money on your Mason card, you'll be able to print from any printer on campus. This has been a tutorial for Mason Money and printing from the Learning Resource Center.